Welcome to RBL. You guys are going to be showing you 5 3D printed gadgets for your car. Number 1 is this cool little coin or change organizer for your cup holder. You got pennies, quarters, dimes, and nickels, as well as like a little loop here. So if you wanted to put like a string down here or something, so you can just pull it right out. You don't have to go grabbing like this. It's very nice. I don't know if you want yellow, but that's a filament one. And yeah, it's a cool little thing. Doesn't take that long to print up. And actually is pretty useful. Everything fits perfectly. Now, number 2, we have a sunglass holder for your mirror. So you go ahead and slide this up into your mirror, let it catch on the squishiness or the comfort, the padding of the headrest. And then you have this hanging down there, and you just have your sunglasses extended out. And yeah, these work better than the actual clip-ins that you get at the dollar store. I definitely highly suggest those if you have a 3D printer. This one's really cool. This is a hook for bags. It goes through the hook or the pole of your headrest. You have 2 of these per seat, and you go ahead and snap that on, and you can have your bag hanging from your back of your seat. Very strong, like no cracking, no popping. This is a great design. I will have all the designs in the description if you guys want to download them, try them out for yourself. Make sure to have all the files there. But this is just a really cool design, very filament friendly, and honestly one of the strongest prints I've ever had so far. Now, 4th, we just have this little guy for your tire pressure valve. So if you lose a couple of these while you're filling out some air, even for your bike, you just print these out and pop them right on. This one's in red. And finally, but not least, the dip holder. It's for Chick-fil-A sauce, ranch, or anything, or sweet and sour for McDonald's, stuff like that. These 2 things go into your vents. Is gravity sit there, and make sure you have the right vents for this, because the vehicles I have, I can't even use this. I have a 19 Silverado and a 18 Trailblazer. You need horizontal vents, so these can just slide in. You can have your little dip here, dip your food in, do whatever you need to do, and yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have any suggestions for other designs or different categories of gadgets to go through or anything like that, let me know. I'd love to hear it. Have a great day. Thank you guys for checking out the channel and watching the video.